New numbers released today by the state of Maryland. Nearly 7,000 confirmed cases of the coronavirus. 171 people have died. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. In about half an hour, we're expecting to hear from Governor Larry Hogan. He's planning to give an update on the state's response to the pandemic. WJZ is live. Investigator Mike Helgren is at the Maryland Department of Health. Mike, what can you tell us?
Max, here's what the governor will talk about at 12:30, the state budget, unemployment claims process, testing, nursing homes, personal protective equipment, and the status of the June 2nd Maryland primary. Maryland's confirmed coronavirus cases are still climbing. The state recorded at least 6,968 cases and 171 deaths, an almost 24% jump in fatalities. 18 of those deaths happened at the Pleasant View Nursing Home in Mount Airy, the site of the state's worst outbreak. Carroll County's health officer spoke about nursing homes at a virtual town hall.
The nursing homes that send patients to the hospital need to accept readmissions from the hospitals. And the Office of Healthcare Quality has established a process where the hospitals can now reach out directly to them, and if they're having a problem getting a patient placed back in the nursing home where they came from, they'll assist with that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
WJZ has spoken to families of several of those who've died at Pleasant View.
She was always good to me. I loved her.
The latest numbers also show African Americans continue to be the hardest hit in the state, with 42% of cases and 41% of deaths. It is the second day Maryland has released data based on race.
I'm pleased to see that the governor released some racial data today.
Maryland still has a shortage of supplies. The Air National Guard's 146th Airlift Wing took off with more ventilators bound for Maryland, Delaware, and Washington, D.C. This week, the White House designated our region as an emerging hotspot. And Maryland's Comptroller Peter Franchot says this is the worst economic catastrophe many of us will ever experience. He says if this stay-at-home order continues, Maryland will face a $2.8 billion budget deficit by the end of June. Reporting live at the Department of Health, Mike Helgren, WJZ.